Summer is here, and if your skin is feeling hot, dull and irritated, I've got the perfect solution for you. Cooling ice cubes infused with the skin-loving ingredients. These DIY ice cubes are not just refreshing, but also soothe your skin, tighten pores and gives a natural glow to the skin. And the best part, they are super easy to make at home. So if you are ready to beat the summer heat and pamper your skin, let's get started. Toning and unclogging is what we need to treat open pores. And the powerful ingredient for that is green tea and rose petals. So you will need some rose petals, green tea leaves and some water. Start off by boiling the water. Add 2 tablespoons of green tea leaves. Wash and add rose petals to it. When the rose petals lose its color, switch off the flame. It usually takes 2 to 3 minutes. Strain it using a strainer. Let the liquid cool before we proceed to the next step. Take an ice cube tray, fill it in with the liquid. I am adding some extra rose petals that I add. Use 2 ice cubes every day after washing your face. This will result in minimized pore size and also tones your skin and smooth skin. You will need some fresh neem leaves. That's it, just one ingredient will make a huge difference. Wash the leaves with water thoroughly. Add them to mixer jar to make a paste. Grind them. Take a cup of water. Add the neem paste to it. Mix well. Now pour the neem water into an ice cube tray. Freeze it for 5 to 6 hours. This is how it looks after 6 hours. Rub it onto your face in circular motions. Neem has antibacterial properties, helps to fight against acne, pimples and also prevents them from coming back. It also cures minor skin infections. People suffering from severe acne problems should try this remedy as it is very effective and can see visible results. These summer ice cubes are a game changer for keeping your skin cool, refreshed and glowing all season long. Let me know in the comments which ice cubes are you excited to try, and also if you find this video useful, do share it with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. Until next time, take care.